My name is Jeremy Sheets. I'm one of the service consultants here at INFINITI of Sarasota. Just want to introduce you to our beautiful state-of-the-art facility. When you bring your vehicle into our facility, you will know that it is in good hands with our factory-certified trained technicians, our state-of-the-art climate-controlled facility where we can handle anything from your express service needs to doing oil changes, tire rotations, tire replacements, alignments, complicated diagnosis, and mechanical repairs. Please feel free to contact me at any time to schedule your service needs, or if you have general questions, I can be reached at 941-924-1211, and my extension is 1304.